today we're going to be making a volcano. This is more of a project. It also is a bit of an experiment because we're going to make it erupt with Alka-Seltzer, as you can see here. It's a little more complicated, it takes a little more time, but I hope you really do enjoy it, and it's not very difficult at all. So let's get started. So here are your materials. You're going to need either a water bottle or a vase, really anything you have accessible for it. I'm using this vase because this is what I had. You need a piece of cardboard for the base of your volcano. Mine's kind of big just because I wanted to build more off of my volcano. Aluminum foil, Alka-Seltzer. You also need a little bit of oil. Paint is optional if you want to paint your volcano. Food coloring is also optional if you want your explosion to have color. And we're going to use Model Magic. I have 3 bags of Model Magic, but you probably won't need this much if your volcano is just like a normal sized water bottle. But yeah, this is what you're going to be using. So I went ahead and covered my cardboard in aluminum foil, which you definitely don't have to do, but I feel like this is going to contain the mess a little bit. And you could definitely paint over it, paint it green or whatever color you'd like if you don't like the aluminum foil. So I went ahead and started building off of my vase. I added more aluminum foil to the bottom than the top to create that volcano shape. And then I went ahead with my Model Magic. And I found that if you just put the Model Magic on the volcano and then start building it off and smoothing it out, it works so much better than trying to knead it and then add it. You can definitely add a bit of water as well. This helps smoothen out any bumps or cracks. I didn't mind it, so I didn't do this, but if you want it to be a really smooth volcano, you could definitely do that. So you're gonna go ahead and let this dry for about 2 days. It really just depends on how much Model Magic you used. Mine took about 2 days to really completely be dried and hardened. And then I went ahead and painted it. I used 2 different colors just because I liked those 2 colors for the color of my volcano, but you could definitely use any color that you wanted. After painting it, remember to let that dry. And the paint that I used is water-based, so when my explosion happened, it did create a streak in my volcano. And if you don't want that to happen, definitely use acrylic. I didn't mind it though, so I just left it as it was. So afterwards, we're gonna go ahead and begin our process for the explosion. Add in water almost to the very top of whatever container, water bottle, whatever you used, and then add a tiny bit of oil to the top, and then go ahead and crush up some Alka-Seltzer and put in the Alka-Seltzer. I used about 2.5 tablets, and you can see from this angle, you can't really see it very well, but it's already bubbling and sizzling and coming out of the vase. And then from this angle, you can really see the bubbles, and you can definitely add more Alka-Seltzer if you wanted to create a bigger explosion. So members, that was our little project. I hope that you understood a bit how the Alka-Seltzer caused that eruption in our volcano, and that you customize your volcano to however you want it to, since I am not very artistic when it comes to using paint. I just painted it 2 different colors. I didn't really add too many details, but you definitely could. But I hope that you enjoyed this and that you liked watching your little eruption. See you guys next time. Bye.